Alexis.
What the hell?
Don't flip off the camera.
What the hell are you doing?
This is my best friend Alexis.
No. No. No.
What? What? Oh. Yeah. It's kind of dead.
You killed him?
Wanna go flush him? Let's go.
You killed
Okay, we're gonna go flush my fish. Mom, my fish died. I'm gonna flush him, okay?
She killed it because she didn't want it no more.
Oh, you just flopped in there.
Why?
Is he alive?
No,
Oh, well.
fool. He's not alive, I promise you.
Bye-bye, Mr. Fish.
Oh, it stinks.
Look at this fish bowl right there. Bye!
Okay, dude. It's gone.
Moment of silence. Okay. Poor fish.
You killed it on purpose. I know.
So, Alexis, how was your day? What happened? Sit down and let's talk. Alexis, really, come on. Don't do it! Come on.
No!
Tell me how was your day.
That was bad.
Tell me what'd you do. Huh?
What else am I supposed to do? I went to school like
Go like
day
this.
one.
No, just do it.
Someone just staring at my mom.
You know what? Hey, with my feet. Ow!
Ow! I am okay. I am okay. I got this.
You got this, huh?
Got
Okay,
this.
well, let me tell you about Alexis. Well, her name's Alexis. Don't ever stop. That smells good. Stop! Alexis, don't waste it. I don't have money to get more.
But I guess I'll buy you some.
Stop! If you're down.
Come on, but your feet stink. Can I spray it on me then?
Sure. Anyway, me and her met 4 years ago. We hated each other. 4!
Okay, cool.
Thank you. Ow!
Why am I always getting picked up?
Well, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Burger King?
Say bye. Okay. Okay.
Go Burger
Bye.